For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Tech billionaire Joe Lonsdale announced on Wednesday that he is making an investment in a newly planned bank in the United States that will focus on cryptocurrency and digital assets. This new bank is being launched by Palmer Luckey, who is best known for helping to create Anduril. The primary goal of this new financial institution is to step in and fill the significant gap left behind by the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, which had been a vital source of financial support for many startups and venture capitalists. Silicon Valley Bank, before its liquidity crisis in March of 2023, had long been considered a key banking partner for early-stage technology companies and venture investors. When Silicon Valley Bank failed, countless startups faced immense difficulty accessing capital, and many struggled to meet urgent financial obligations, including making payroll for their employees. Joe Lonsdale, who also co-founded Palantir Technologies, expressed through an emailed message to Reuters that he is a proud backer of this new initiative. The new financial institution, which will be called Erebor, has submitted an application for a national banking charter. According to information in the charter application, Erebor aims to serve businesses operating in some of the most cutting-edge sectors of the economy. This includes artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, defense technologies, and manufacturing. Additionally, Erebor will extend its services to individuals who are employed in these industries or who have investments tied to them. This reflects a broader vision to create a specialized banking platform tailored to the unique needs of the modern technology ecosystem. Continuing a pattern seen in other ventures associated with these individuals, the name Erebor is drawn from the fictional universe created by J.R.R. Tolkien. This naming tradition is also seen with Palantir and Anduril, which likewise derive their identities from Tolkien's famous works. The Erebor Bank is planned to have its headquarters located in Columbus, Ohio, and it will primarily operate as a digital-only financial institution. There will also be a secondary office based in New York to support its operations. The choice to adopt a digital-only model reflects the growing trend toward online banking and financial technology innovation, which has become especially prominent in recent years. The leadership team that will guide Erebor includes Owen Rappaport and Jacob Hirschman. Jacob Hirschman has previously served as an advisor to a stablecoin company, bringing valuable experience in digital currency to the new institution. Erebor is planning to hold stablecoins on its balance sheet as part of its financial strategy. For those who may be unfamiliar, stablecoins are a type of digital asset or cryptocurrency that is pegged to the value of traditional government-backed currencies, such as the United States dollar. The purpose of stablecoins is to maintain a steady and predictable value, which is achieved by backing them with appropriate reserves. This stability makes stablecoins increasingly attractive in the world of finance. Financial technology companies, as well as traditional financial institutions, are rapidly adopting stablecoins as part of their operations because these digital assets can help facilitate faster international payments, simplify complex settlement processes, and provide greater access to financial services in the digital age. Erebor has clearly stated in its regulatory filings that it intends to position itself as the most highly regulated entity engaged in conducting and supporting stablecoin transactions. This level of regulatory compliance is being pursued to help build trust with regulators, investors, and clients. The initial report about Erebor was published by the Financial Times, which also revealed that the group of technology billionaires financially backing Erebor includes Founders Fund, a venture capital firm associated with Peter Thiel. According to the report from the Financial Times, neither Palmer Luckey, Peter Thiel, nor a spokesperson for Erebor responded immediately to requests from Reuters for comment. Peter Thiel's interest in J.R.R. Tolkien's works goes far beyond personal fascination. It has become a recurring theme across many of his business ventures and reflects a strategic vision about how technology, security, and finance should evolve. Looking deeper into Peter Thiel's history, one can see that his Tolkien-inspired approach to business naming and philosophy runs through several key companies. Palantir, for example, takes its name from magical seeing stones in Tolkien's writings that allow individuals to observe distant events. Palantir's software platforms provide government agencies and businesses with powerful tools to analyze enormous datasets, helping to gather intelligence, strengthen national security, and make informed decisions. The company's deep involvement with United States intelligence agencies and law enforcement has made it both an essential resource and a subject of intense public debate, particularly regarding issues issues related to surveillance and personal privacy. Another major player in Peter Thiel's network of ventures is Anduril Industries, which is deeply involved in advancing artificial intelligence-driven defense technologies. While Peter Thiel did not directly found Anduril, his founders fund has played a significant role in its financial backing. Many of Anduril's staff are former employees of Palantir, which helps ensure that the strategic vision behind Anduril aligns with Thiel's broader ambitions. Anduril has developed advanced systems such as the Lattice platform, which enhances military surveillance and defense capabilities. This further demonstrates Peter Thiel's growing influence within the defense and security sectors. The launch of Erebor represents a natural extension of this overarching strategy. The new bank is designed specifically to serve startups, defense contractors, cryptocurrency businesses, and other innovative technology enterprises. It also aims to serve individual professionals and investors within these fields. This move is particularly significant in the aftermath of the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, which had been a major provider of financial services to startups and venture capital firms. By creating Erebor, Peter Thiel, Palmer Luckey, and Joe Lonsdale are stepping into a space that has been left underserved, with the goal of becoming a new financial stronghold for innovation and growth. Peter Thiel's decision to draw from Tolkien's universe for the names of his ventures is not just a whimsical choice. It can be viewed as a statement of ambition and intent. Through Palantir, Anduril, and now Erebor, Peter Thiel has constructed a unique ecosystem that spans technology, finance, and national security. This growing network of influence raises important questions about who holds power in the digital age and how that power is being used to shape the future of society. These companies are not only technological leaders, but are also playing increasingly significant roles in how governments and institutions operate, how data is analyzed, how defense systems are developed, and how financial transactions are handled in a digital economy. Erebor, in particular, is positioned at the intersection of finance, technology, and digital currency. Its embrace of stablecoins and its intention to become a heavily regulated digital-first bank suggest that it could become a key player in the future of banking and financial services. The involvement of high-profile backers such as Peter Thiel, Palmer Luckey, and Joe Lonsdale ensures that Erebor will attract significant attention as it moves forward. As the financial world continues to evolve with the rise of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, Erebor's success or failure could serve as an important indicator of how the traditional banking system and emerging financial technologies will coexist in the years ahead. In the end, tech billionaire Joe Lonsdale is investing in a new cryptocurrency-focused bank called Erebor, which is being launched by Palmer Luckey, the co-founder of Anduril, to fill the gap left by the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank that once served early-stage technology firms and venture capitalists. Erebor, which has applied for a national banking charter, plans to operate as a digital-only bank based in Columbus, Ohio, with a secondary office in New York, providing financial services to technology businesses involved in artificial intelligence, crypto, defense, manufacturing, and individuals working in or investing in these sectors. The bank, inspired by the Tolkien name Erebor, intends to hold stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency tied to government-backed currencies on its balance sheet, aiming to become the most regulated institution handling stablecoin transactions. The venture is backed by notable figures including Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, although Thiel, Luckey, and Lonsdale are not expected to manage the bank's daily operations. This new financial institution continues the trend of Thiel-linked businesses, drawing inspiration from Tolkien's writings, with Erebor joining the ranks of Palantir and Anduril, reflecting an ambition to reshape the worlds of technology, finance, and national security. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.